So in this video I will explain you how to use translator for Chat4sales. In last video we already upload the application which called Unihotel for Staff. Now just logging into that, and we can see our back office of WhatsApp for business. So just go to my profile and set the language which you use. So main language, for example, you speak in English, so you put here English. If you speak some other language, please put it. So let's go to for chat. Okay, if client doesn't speak your main language, you have to open language bar and make a choice which language your client will get. You can see message translate English to German. So you just go there and put hello, how are you today? Just click on that. So you can see it's immediately translated into German. Now you just can send it. So your client will get the double message. So you will see what you send to them, and they will see translation from English or your main language to any language. So now we'll use another language to show you. Let's Hindi. Hello, how are you today? Okay, so we got the Hindi. So, and the main things, don't use the big sentence. So use the simple short sentence, otherwise, you know, because translator anyway, it's Google Translator. So use the short one, short and sweet, okay, and try to not to make a mistake in your main language, because you know, if you done some mistake, typing error, so definitely translator will translate something wrong. So that one is I will show you again with another clients. Here you can see there is no in translator here, we never use it. Just click on translate bar. Okay, and make a choice of language. Let's see if we can hear nothing. So I can put hello. Let's see if it is correct. You can use it. Okay, so hopefully it was very helpful for you and to understand the product Chat4sales.